So 8 divided by 1 plus 1, then 2 square, right? So now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction, right? Multiplication and division both have equal priority, and addition and subtraction also both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right, right? Now in this question, first we have to solve this parenthesis, right? So is equal to 8 divide, now solve this parenthesis, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, multiply 2 square, right? Now here we have division, here multiplication, and here exponents. So second priority is exponents, right? So 2 square is equal to 4. So 8 divide 2 multiply 4. Now here division and here multiplication both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, multiply 4. Now 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. So the correct answer is 16, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.